It appears that Uniswap is now squarely in the sights of this US regulatory body. And that's right, I'm talking about the Securities Exchange Commission, or the SEC. This is the market watchdog for the US government. And, well, let's face it, Uniswap is doing a lot of market stuff, and there isn't a lot of watchdog stuff going on. It's a decentralized exchange, and at one point, based on certain metrics, it was bigger than Coinbase. Probably still is. The issue with Uniswap from a regulatory perspective is that, well, Uniswap's protocol or team doesn't have any information about the people that are using the platform. It's simply a pseudonymous Ethereum address that gets attached to a particular account, and users use their web wallets in order to execute trades or provide liquidity to the platform. Another issue that Uniswap poses for regulatory bodies is that it's basically open season for people who want to circumvent anti-money laundering laws. This is probably something that FinCEN is very interested in as well. With so many people getting involved in Uniswap, it's now almost impossible to ignore for these regulators. According to this article that I came across from kfgo.com, it says this: enforcement attorneys are looking for more information on how investors use Uniswap and the manner in which it is marketed. Yeah, I bet they are. But what do you think? How do you think Uniswap would be regulated in the future by bodies such as the SEC? Do you think that regulators might go so far as to have ISPs block access to the URLs for American residents? I mean, this is gonna get interesting to say the least. As you know, regulators gonna regulate. Follow, like, subscribe, bye.